Welcome back to the Adventures with the Average Joe, and I'm Joe. I'm going to be doing a property cleaning. I'm going to show you around what all needs done, and then I'm going to have to stop procrastinating and get busy. But let's take a look at what I got going. I got to get all that cleaned up, and then I'm going to trim some of this down and tie them up so they're out the way, because believe it or not, there's actually a water faucet back in there. This side didn't grow in too much, ain't too bad. And then the other side of the garden, it grew in pretty decent. Gotta get it cleaned up. And you can see these vines. Look, they're going up into my building. That's not cool. I gotta clean that up. Some weeds here. Background here is a mess. I gotta get this cleaned up good. But you can see the vines going back up to the building on the back side. And this is mainly flower pots and a fish tank, a toilet, a box, some windows. Just needs organized. Over here, I gotta clean back in there real good. And then I gotta get all this crap cleaned up. I think that's enough procrastinating. I think it's time to get busy. I'm gonna start here first. Get this off the building. Right here, swapped up and cleaned up. Alright, I got the vines away from the house. Well, I got the vines away from my workshop. That looks clean enough. Now we can go on the other side. Yeah, let's bring it back here so you can check out what's going on. A lot of this is going to get put back, but more organized. And after I get this swapped up, I got too much shit on the ground. Alright, now I can bring it back over here and do a sweep. Yeah, I'm sweeping from back there up to here. Alright, let's move some stuff around so I can sweep behind it and get it organized enough. There's not all these pots are going out. There's only a couple. Oh my god, I just found ant heaven. Holy crap. Look at that worm. Let's see if I can zoom in at all. See how many there are? I'm gonna try to move this shit around. Oh my god, am I gonna get bit by ants? They're all through the windows. Ow, ow, ow. Dang thing's biting me. Oh, piss ants. Ow. Better. Ow! A vengeance will be mine. That'll make them move on. Alright, we better give it a couple minutes. I was getting bit up pretty good. I don't see any ants. Hopefully I can move this shit around now. There's still a bunch of ants I haven't seen moving stuff. bad as it was. Here's my broom. Like everything I do, I ain't looking for perfect, I'm just looking for better. These ants are relentless, man. Keep getting me. A couple of these are huge, dude. Alright, let's sweep some of these leaves back. See how dirty it is? I'm gonna hose all this down, starting with back there. To walk back here, it's actually pretty organized now, instead of it just being all a mess. Back there is all cleaned up, right here is all clean. Next I gotta clean this. Ew. Them are all the leaves that I swept up from behind the buildings and on the side of the building, but I gotta let that dry up and I'll sweep the dirt up after it's dry. But that's all cleaned up. Okay, that's gonna be about it. The only thing left to do, like I said, is bring them tires over and put them leaves in it. That'll be about where it's gonna go. I got 2 more tires to bring over, but they're full of dirt and rock. I'm gonna have to put them in the flower pots before I bring them over. Okay, this is all rinsed down back here. Now all they gotta do is take these leaves, go put them out in the wishing well and inside some of these tires. And then all this back here will be done. I'll move on to the bigger side of the house and then the front 2 doors. not perfect, but a lot better. We can move over to the other side of the garden now. I think we're done. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. I'll show you around, show you the progress, and then we'll say goodbye. Out in front of the house is looking nice. This side of the garden's looking really nice. Go all the way back along the side of the house. Then there's this side of the garden. This side of the house. The whole back patio and everything is all nice. Side of the shed. In between the office and the bathroom. Way back here. This is all done up. The only thing left to do is move these leaves, and I'll do that at a later date. Back here. And an angle from this side. Thank you for joining me. This has been Adventures with the Average Joe, and I'm Joe. I was doing a property cleaning and I got my whole property cleaned. Thank you for tuning in. Like, subscribe, hit the notification, leave a comment if you can. If not, I still appreciate your help, appreciate your views. Have yourself a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time.